Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assessing your baseline. Check for a gap in the midline while doing a tiny crunch to screen for diastasis recti. Once assessed, activate the pelvic floor and transverse abdominis with gentle 5-10 rep contractions 3 times a day because rebuilding inner support reduces bulge. Make a simple plan and set realistic goals for 3 to 6 months, then log sessions to ensure progress. Consistency matters more than intensity at this stage. Now move into progressive strength and mobility. Start with controlled exercises, heel slides, bird dogs, and modified forearm planks, 2 to 3 times weekly, and focus on steady breathing to maintain intra-abdominal pressure. Once those feel stable, slowly increase load by about 5 to 10% per week while keeping perfect form to avoid stress on the linea alba. Meanwhile, do daily mobility work for hips, thoracic spine, and posterior chain to allow full movement patterns and better core recruitment during functional. To finish, integrate core into full body lifts. Brace for squats, deadlifts, and loaded carries so the core works under real-life loads. Make sure recovery supports remodeling. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and protein around 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram, and allow 48 to 72 hours between intense sessions. If you experience pain, bulge worsening, or a growing gap, regress exercises, reduce breath holding and pressure, and consult a pelvic health or medical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.